Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel Theta Box. So today I get the following one error notification while I try to delete one of my phone contact and it shows error while saving contact. So now one more time I try to delete it, but again it shows that same error message. So how to fix this issue? So very simple method is just open your settings menu and then locate app settings and click to open it. So here I try to access manage apps and it shows my all installed applications, but you can locate that contacts mobile app and click to open it. So finally one time I try to clear this entire app data. So by simply press clear data option. But friends, don't worry about it. All your saved phone contacts are very safe, which means that it only clear this app data. So just do it. So after you done these processes, unclose all the windows. And one more time I try to delete that same contact because I check it if this trick works or not. But friends, now this time you can see this contact is successfully deleted from my mobile. So at same time, if maybe this trick not works for you, just try this another method. So we simply open that contact and then press this vertical 3 dots icon. So now I try to move this contact to another account. So here you can select device and this process is successfully completed. So now this time you can try to delete that same contact. So I hope this trick will work for 100%. So friends, if this trick works for you, just leave a one like. So otherwise, just put your valuable comments. So for more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Theta Box, and thanks for watching.